Sublime Text and Zed are both modern text editors, but they serve different kinds of developers. Sublime Text is lightweight, fast, and highly customizable. It has a massive plugin ecosystem, supports multiple programming languages, and runs smoothly across platforms. It's been a favorite among developers for years because of its stability and responsiveness. Zed, on the other hand, is newer and built in Rust. It's GPU accelerated and makes it incredibly fast, and it includes native multiplayer collaboration so you can code with teammates in real time. Zed also integrates AI tools for autocomplete and refactoring, making it ideal for modern workflows. While it's still evolving, it's gaining traction for its sleek UI and performance. So, choose Sublime Text if you want a proven, extensive editor with wide community support. And pick Zed if you're looking for cutting-edge speed, collaboration, and AI-powered features.